मैंने लेटर लिखा था। अस्सलाम वालेकुम हुजूर।
अच्छा तुम हाजिर तुम्हारा लेटर बाद में सुनता हूँ। चलो तुम सुना दो अपना लेटर।
ये मैंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर से
प्राइम मिनिस्टर को तुमने लेटर लिखा था, इसकी बड़ी मशहूरी हुई है, सुनाओ, पढ़ के सुनाओ।
Dear Sir or Madam, I am Sadia and I am 8 years old. The other day, me and my brother heard my mum and dad talking about what Mr. David Cameron said about Muslim mothers. We were worried, thinking they will take our mum away. She does not speak to us in English. She immigrated to this country from India. My dad said to us there is nothing to worry as she studied English literature for her degree. But she speaks to us in Urdu because she wants us to learn it. Plus, she speaks English in a different accent we find funny, but she does not like it. She used to help in school as a volunteer until she had a baby sister a few months back. Dad said we do not have to worry as Mum is talented and she helps others, but I do feel sad for other mothers and the children. How awful they must feel if their mums are taken away. I see my mother wearing headscarf when she is out. I really like that, so I also wear it. I wear it because I like to wear it, not because my parents force me to. The other day, my dad asked me if I ever feel forced to wear it, and my answer was no. I really like helping people. In November, we went to raise money for the Poppy Appeal. Our photos were in the newspaper. My teacher told me, then we had a discussion in the class. I told the pupils I wore the headscarf in the photo as some people think that Muslims are bad. I wanted to show the Muslims are good. Of course there are some bad people who are Muslims, but aren't there bad people everywhere? When I grow up, I want to be an author and a scientist. I want to help people. Today I finished writing my first ever big story at home. My favorite authors are David Walliams, William Shakespeare, Jeff Kinney, Roald Dahl, and Terry Deary and Charles Dickens. I used the funny bits of David Walliams' story to make my own. I also heard that Mr. David Cameron may ban us from wearing headscarf. I want to grow up and wear headscarf even when I am upset. When I am an author and scientist, I'll be very upset if I can't wear my headscarf while helping people. ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने वापस दिया था।
तो जवाब दिया था?
हाँ जी।
क्या जवाब दिया था, पढ़ के सुनाओ।
Dear Mr. Rahman, I am writing on behalf of the Prime Minister to thank you for your recent letter and for enclosing the letters from your daughter Sadia. Mr. Cameron is most grateful for the time and trouble you have taken to get in touch. I have been asked to forward your letter to the Department for Communities and Local Government so that they are too aware of your views. Thank you once again for writing.
तुमने खुद लिखा था और अब्बा अम्मा ने लिखाया था तुम्हें लेटर?
अब्बू ने मुझे थोड़ा सा हेल्प किया था।
अच्छा, क्या कहाँ हेल्प किया था?
जिससे
तुम्हें अब्बू ने बताया था कि ये इस तरह लिखना चाहिए, बाकी तुमने खुद लिखा?
जी
सिर्फ बताया था कि इस तरह लिखो, कि या तुम्हें सेंटेंसेस बना के भी दिए थे? हाँ
जी।
अच्छा ठीक है,
जज़ाकल्लाह।
अच्छा हाँ, तुम अमतुल बाकी?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम हुजूर।
देखो यहाँ का प्राइम मिनिस्टर कुछ थोड़ी सी शराफत दिखाई ना तुम्हें, उसने जवाब दे दिया उसके ऑफिस ने, हैं? हमारे पाकिस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर को खत लिखो तो जवाब ही नहीं देते।